Hello there. Hello. Welcome to my car. It looks nice. Are we gonna go to the side? Yeah, come on, let's go in the car. Gee, I'm kind of too big for this car. It's okay. I'm pretty small. Well, different size. Boom. I'm almost there at the fair. We're flying in a flying car. Oh, here's a claw machine. Oh, there's a pig right there. I gotta turn this thing on. We have to wait for a second. You. Okay, so we got some coins. What you gonna get out of the party actually? Okay. Put the coins in there. Before I do that, I gotta put the other coin down. Yeah. You can get it now. Can I get the pinky? I don't think so. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of time. It's okay if I don't even get anything. Yay, you got the pinky, Goofy. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna run out of time. I don't think I have enough time. Here we go. Yay, it went. Okay, I got my egg. I can't wait to see what's inside it. Aren't you gonna get your egg, Chicky? Yeah, until the promise me finish it. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just gonna he's right here in the car looking at you. Ooh, I found lip balm. Let's just put it right over there. Okay. Can't wait up there. Gee. Oops. It does that. Let me see if oh, don't forget your egg. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna run out of time. There's a blue egg standing with it. See if I can do it. At least I got a pinky goatee with it. Yay, but that's friends with eggs. It's weird. Okay, got it. Okay, let's ready to see what's in their egg. Okay, what did I get? I got a pink bunny. Oopsie. A bunny with a cute little tiny bunny on it. Okay. Hold on. I can't close the egg. Okay. Now let's see what's in yours. Foxy. Oh, you got a kitty. It looks like a bear, but it's actually a cat. Okay, now I can't close the egg again, so I'm going to have to do that. Okay, we're going to go right back home. I can drive. Okay. Oh, look at the 3 pounds of slime. Let's go check it out. Oh, it almost fell. Ow. Whoa. Piece of slime. Crash. Oh no. It crashed into her car. Now I'm going to go fix it. I put tape on it. There we go. Much better. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. The blob. It's a blob, not slime, but it says 3 pounds of slime. Put that in there. Okay. Okay, let's go back home. Okay, guys, sorry. We have to go back home.